Okay, so a very good afternoon and to the students over here. So am I audible? Am I audible, all of you? Please raise your hand. Need not to unmute yourself if I am audible. Okay, fine. Thank you, Washif and Muskan. Yeah, fine. So you can lower your hand. So actually, if you want to ask something, let me tell you before this program starts. If you want to ask something or if you have some query, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, you can also post your query in the chat box. We'll be addressing you. And by the time you need not to unmute yourself, okay? Only when we ask to do you so, then only you can unmute yourself. So firstly, so I'm turning on my video. So as this is the first time we are meeting here, so I wish you all the best. And during the induction program and the orientation program on the first day, we have focused on a few things from the institute as well as the department. So I am focusing on this particular aspect also here today also. So let us first here we can see actually first I want to welcome you people in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. And this department was established in the year of 2013 with the aims of providing the leadership in the field of electronic engineering. And the intake was 60 at that time. And we strive to train and empower our students who will make our world a better place by using the power of engineering principles, techniques, and systems. So the Department of ECE got the India accreditation in the year of 2021, and as the significant infrastructural design, well-equipped laboratories, and high-tech computers with high-speed internet facility with all qualified faculty members ensure world-class standard of education delivered from our department. So we are also heading towards another accreditation, the NAC for the institution. And this electronics and communication engineering is a dynamic and exciting area that provides excellent career opportunities in various areas of technology. We'll be showing you that our alumni how many exposures and their placement records we will discussing in the later part. So this under this banner of Institute of Engineers India and Institute Innovation Cell, our department provided the healthy environment to all of the students and faculty members. To carry out our interdepartmental activities, students are also given opportunities to involve in the NPTEL local activities. You know about this NPTEL because this NPTEL project is run by the IIT Kharagpur and many of the IITs. Our nearest IIT is IIT Kharagpur, so that I have mentioned. And actually, I'm telling you the students that lot of messages are coming. We'll be addressing it soon, just throughout the lecture. So these students are also provided opportunities to involve in the facility provided by the institutions like NIT Rourkela, NIT Patna, IIT Gandhinagar, NIT Jamshedpur, NIT Durgapur, through this Dept project. This particular department also conducts various workshops, expert talks, and additional training programs on the recent trends of electronics and communication engineering in collaboration with the nearby industries for the benefit of faculty members and students. So there are many research papers we'll be going through later on that are being contributed by our students in association with our faculty members. So, and our institute is the nodal center of IIT Bombay Virtual Lab, IIT Kanpur Virtual Lab. You people must be knowing. And then, and in under this pandemic situation, we continued our laboratory session through this virtual lab only. So for the higher studies, many of you are preparing for, are aiming for some higher studies in some premier institutes like IITs, IIMs, or some abroad universities. So for this, these GATE classes are conducted, and we are having a smart classroom where these GATE classes and some of the pre-placement classes are organized. So and in addition to that, the mock exams like employability test, MCAT, uh, there are many more mock tests are there. They are also being conducted regularly in the department. So the graduates of the this ECE department have been selected by some of the leading software and the hardware companies that are being in the country. So you people, we people will come to know. So let us first focus that why this particular department is this particular department or particular domain is there. So let me tell you that this EC department is connected over all of the area. So if you all of you are having a mobile phone or smartphone or some kind of laptops or desktops. So right now you're holding this phone or any kind of devices. Uh, so these devices are made up of some electronic chips. Without electronics, nothing is possible in today's era. And nowadays, you are using some 4G and 5G. Just a minute. Okay, so so this is the pictorial representation where you can see that all of the applications in modern era are depending on this electronics. Okay, so if you are having a mobile phone, if you are having a television, the smart television nowadays is a very widespread technology, and you're using some refrigerators, using some washing machines, using some microwave ovens in the home appliances. So there are also some small applications of electronics and communication. And this communication part, you people are having mobile phones, and most of you are using the 4G, whatever it may be. I mean, that the company provide a service provider, it may be Geo, maybe Airtel, or something else. The thing is, whenever you are using this 4G network, and now in 2022, the 5G rollout will. Okay, you people know that Airtel have tied up their collaboration with Airtel. Airtel has been collaborated with Tata for this rollout of 5G. So everything is converged into this electronics and communication engineering domain. Okay, so let us first see that we have a video here. So let us go there. I'm stopping this share, and I'll show the video. we are back to the.
Hey, if you're planning to write the GRE exam, you need to listen to this.
Sorry,
do you know that spending
just
just 1 hour on a daily basis can actually get you?
Yeah. So we have been going back to this one. So you have seen in the at the last part of the video that some I mean Avengers scene. You people have must went through those movies of Avengers series. So there you have seen the latest suit that was worn by Iron Man. That was that technology. Do anyone know the technology name? What technology was used in last used in the Iron Man's latest suit? You can post your yeah, right, Ashutosh, Virendra, yes, Saroj, Washif, yes, very good, Habib. So everything is Tapamani, Akash, yeah, thank you so much. So yes, all of you are right, whoever is posting these messages, that yes, nanotechnology was used. So the nanotechnology, you people will learn this nanotechnology in the higher standards. So this nanotechnology is a part of this ECE. So everything you see, everything you get to know in the department of ECE or any other department, the foundation starts from electronics. Okay. So we'll just elaborate those things in the later stage, because this is the not the study area or study time. So it is a enjoying time. So here we can just focus on the departmental achievements at a glance. So 2020, we are starting from the bottom. So we in the year of 2020 we have obtained the IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur Virtual Lab Nodal Center, and also in the year of 2020 NPTEL local chapter, and those we have, I mean, be knowing that the NPTEL is organizing this examination or this course, and they are delivering some experts will deliver some lectures, and after that those assignments will be given. You have to submit those assignments in the due time, and after that some examination or assessment procedure will occur. So that assessment procedure, the student or the candidate needs to appear in the examination by going exam center. So Chaivasha Engineering College is the exam one of them, and we have conducted 2 exam for the NPTEL. And in the year of 2020, we have got another achievement, that IIR center, that will be discussed by one of our faculty members. He is a coordinator from the institute, our departmental faculty member. So in 2021, we have got two prestigious achievements. Number one was the NBA, National Board of Accreditation. We have got NBA accreditation in the year of 2021. So what is the focus of and what is the aspect of NBA? I'll just brief. Otherwise, you people have the access of Google and YouTube and many other social networks. So you people must be knowing. And another one was the Chhatra Vishwakarma Award. We'll be discussing this thing later on also. So this was at a glance the departmental thing. Now we are coming to this vision and mission. So anybody can tell that what do you mean by mission and vision? Anybody can tell? You can raise your hand. Okay. Coming to MD Mohsin. Yes, you can unmute yourself. Yeah. That what do you mean by a vision of a department or the vision of a organization?
विजन है सर कि हमारा विजन क्या, हम क्या सोचते हैं, हमको करना क्या है लाइफ में, और
Yes.
मिशन ये है कि जो चीज हम सोच लिए कि मेरा विजन ये है, हमको ये टारगेट करना, ये चीज अचीव करना, हमको जो है उस विजन को देख करके उस मिशन में लग जाना कि हमारा ये काम करेंगे, तब हम जो वो विजन देखे उसको पूरा कर सकेंगे और वो मेरा
Okay.
मिशन कंप्लीट हो सकेगा।
Very good, very good, very good. Nice answer. Anybody wants to? If anybody wants to this? Yeah, Mohsin, you can mute yourself. Anybody wants to say some words on this? That Mohsin was nicely explained. That what is the vision? So whatever Mohsin said, I'm just taking his words. So Mohsin said that we have a view that I want to climb in the Everest. Okay, suppose. So this is a vision. So this is a long-term goal. In simpler words, it's a long-term goal. But whenever preparing to climb at the Himalayas, so you need to go through some physical activities, some physical fitness tests, some food habits, okay, some regular habits you need to adapt. So these are short-term goals that first you have to think that, okay, I need to walk 5 kilometers a day. Then your goal is, okay, I'll run 10 kilometers in a day. So these are the short time goals. So by achieving the short-term goals, you have to achieve the long-term goals. Okay. So just like this, the vision and mission is there for the department, and you must be knowing those mission for the institute too. So obviously, the institute mission, institute vision, okay. So institutes targets to targets to be there. Okay. For this, institute have some mission. So long-term goals of the institute. So under this, each and every department will be having their own vision and own mission, because let me make this clear that the institute long-term goal must target to this departmental goal and vice versa. Okay, so they must be in line. Just like, for example, some institute is taking, I'm giving an example only. Some institute is telling that, okay, our students, the mission of our institute is to make the students, suppose everyone will be a scientist, but the department is telling that long-term goal is, the mission is, we want to make the students, some IT company based employers. So these are two different goals. So those different goals cannot be together. Okay. So this vision, whatever you can see, impart quality education to produce competent and socially responsible engineering graduates with additional motivation towards higher education. So as we are giving you the opportunity of GATE classes and some extra preparatory classes for the past semesters. So these are totally the students catch whether they want to go for higher studies or some job. But most of the cases we have seen during the last 5 years, most of the students have gone for higher studies. And yes, a significant amount of students have got their job and they are doing their job very well. And what is there? We have taken the feedbacks from the students. The department usually takes some feedbacks of the from the students, from the parents, from the alumni, from the employers, from the industry, and from the faculty members. So we are the stakeholders of the institute. So who are the stakeholders? Just few people know that whenever you are putting, everybody is, I think everybody have, eat some kind of potato chips or drinks or tea. So whenever you buy cold drinks, Suppose you are giving 15 rupees or 20 rupees to the salesperson at the shop. So this 15 rupees will go to the company. I mean, let us take that the shopkeeper or the salesperson is not taking any profit. Let us take. So this 15 rupees will go to the company, to the thumbs up company. Let us take thumbs up. So this thumbs up company, actually this is a Coke company. So this Coke company will consider you as a stakeholder of their company because you have invested some money. Okay, like this way, you are investing your time, you are investing your money, you are investing your labor, you are investing your skill also. So the students are giving some kind of effort by means of money, by means of time, by means of study, by means of labor. Okay, so and the parents also are investing some time, their skills, their money. Employers are investing their time, so their money also. So everyone in the ecosystem, this ecosystem, all of them are stakeholders. So the students have the equal right to the institute as the faculty members, as the parents, as the employers, okay, as the alumni. So everyone is having their own. So here we own stakeholding capacity. So these are the missions of our department, ECE department. Imbibe the quality education to produce capable manpower in electronics and communication engineering to serve the society, and to motivate higher education in the field of electronics and communication engineering with industry academia interaction, and provide an environment for team building, maintaining human values and ethics. So this team building capacity will be learning, because I can understand that this time under this pandemic, this is very hard to build a team and keep a close contact with your team members. So I know, but this is a general thing, because this is going to be fade away soon. So whenever any department is formed, whenever any department is exposed, so they're having some educational objectives. So this EC is a program. Okay, you are going to the program. So like this, the institute is having 5 programs at a time. So ECE, CEC, electrical, mechanical, and civil. So these are 5 programs. So for our programs, this is the program educational objectives. Okay, that means after passing out from this EC department, what the students will learn, what you people will learn, these 3 things will be imbibed in you. So you have to, whatever the study you will do, whatever the extracurricular activity you will do. So many students have have done many of the projects. Some of them are very good at sports, very good at football, cricket, swimming. Some people are some students are good at dancing, singing. There are extracurricular activities too, and there are some co-curricular activities. So will be not confuse you so much. They are separate. So apart from your study, there are some other things also which makes you a human being. Okay, so by developing your personality, by developing your skills, you will be a graduate after 4 years. Okay, today, this year is the 2022. So, and you have got admitted in 2021-22 batch. So you will be passing out on 2025. So after the 5 years, not 5 years from now it is hardly 3.5 years. So after the 3.5 years, you will be a graduate. Okay, so this is a very prestigious degree. And most important thing is, I forgot to mention during this MBA accreditation. So in this NBA accreditation, what is the advantage? That if somebody of you, you know that many of your friends, seniors, or relatives are going abroad. Okay, so this NBA accreditation will give you a chance to prove your degree, your BTech degree is accepted abroad. So there are you people, our BTech or our bachelor's degree in India is not accepted anywhere in the world. Okay, but from the if you are a student of the India accredited department, then you people will be having an opportunity to degree will be accepted at anywhere in the world, any institute. Okay, wherever you go. So this is the most important thing of the NBA accreditation. In addition, the employers will think that okay, this is the NBA accredited okay, so the students must be very good, outstanding. Just like suppose if you people have most of you are having a very fascinated about the two-wheelers. Okay, so what is there? Somebody is riding over a Hero Passion, and somebody is riding in a Royal Enfield Classic 350. So what is the perception will come? A perception will come. We will think that okay, this Royal Enfield guy is a fascinated guy. Like is a in Hindi we can call them a shock. Okay, so they are shocking about their yes. So just like this accredited department, the students of the NBA accredited department are the creamy layer students. Okay, they are very skilled. Okay, so let us not take our take your time together, much, because a lot of lot of programs are there. You people will be having some kind of engagements in some other works also. So from my side, I have my expression. I'll be back soon. So from there, I'm just focusing on the team of the faculty members, and I'm transferring my words to Professor Shankita Debbarman. Okay.
A very good. Yeah, very good morning to all. Now today we will introduce some of our faculty members who are existing in our department. First of all, I would like to request Dr. Abhijit Kundu sir to kindly share his views and with the new students.
Hello, good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. I am Dr.
Continue,
Abhijit Kundu, Associate Professor in ECE Department of Cyber. So you are in just first year student, so you should concentrate on your studies. In this year, India government has taken initiative to build up lot of semiconductor industries. So there will huge opportunity for electronics and communication engineering students. Okay. It will be very nice if you do some technical project within this 4 year, And I also want to inform you that we have a good eco project lab. So you can use that project lab. If you face any kind of problem, then the teachers will help you to execute that project. And there is also good software is there, that is a TCAD software. In previous year, we have already completed one consort project, AICT consort project. It was almost 19 lakhs 20,000. So we have already modeled that IR photosensor device, and that what we have already published in IEEE transaction. And the IR photodetector device was very useful for medical imaging purpose. You can use this device to make glucose photo sensor device. Actually, that device can use to measure the blood sugar level in human body without collecting the blood. Okay. And so this software you can use also to modeling various kind of device, diode, transistor, gate, kind of device. And I also want to inform you that I am the in charge of the microwave engineering lab, and there is also the lot of good equipment is there. One of the lot of microwave test bench system is also there. So you can use that test bench system, and there is a spectrum analyzer is also there. Actually, you can make a microstrip patch antenna which is used for mobile, and this microstrip patch antenna, the parameter of this microstrip patch antenna, you can analyze using this spectrum analyzer. Okay, so thank you all of you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. Next, I would like to request Professor Shobik Day to share his views with our new students.
Okay, good morning to all. So I am Professor Shobik Day, Department of ECE. As I'm taking the department as well as the non-department some subjects followed by the GOT syllabus. And apart from that, actually, I am the training and placement coordinator of this department, of this ECE department. So I want to share something regarding the topics actually. So our institute, in our institute, the placement cell that plays a crucial role in locating job opportunities for our students by keeping in touch with the reputed industries establishments. So the placement cell that operates the round the year to facilitate the some contacts between the companies and the graduates. So the number of the students placed through campus interviews is continuously rising. On invitation, many reputed companies like TCS, CTS, Infosys, HP, and many other companies, Amazon's, Global Engineering, Corporatings, many other companies are there that they visit our institute to conduct interviews. So from our department as well, the placement in the training cells, we have some objectives. Okay, as objectives, I can say to develop the students to meet the industry's recruitment process, to motivate the students to develop the technical knowledge as well as the soft skills, and as well aiming to place the maximum number of students through campus as well as the off campus, and through the interviews conducted by the top companies actually. So our department is always open for students to meet, to interact, and to get all kind of the supports to build their career. So we are here with you And that's all. So I hope you too can meet your goals. You can build a bright, successful career, and obviously you can fulfill your dreams. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to request Professor Devabroto Das, sir, to kindly share his words. Sir, kindly unmute yourself.
Oh, okay. Good morning, all of you. So a very good morning, all of you. So my students and also respectable my colleagues also. So myself, Devabroto Kumar Das from Chaivasa Engineering College. I am the assistant professor of ECE department. And I take the subject that is a digital electronics and also microprocessor and microcontroller, and also that is a biomedical instrumentation. Okay. And I am the in charge of the also digital electronics lab. So all of you please read it also all subject is carefully also. So not only for your subject, you have to focus your career advancement and also skill development. Okay, so I am take some times for sharing for the different advancement idea or okay. So first you have to goal setup. So first you have to choose the 3 stage of your career exploration. That is number 1, determine your interest. That is what is your interest. Okay. And number 2, you have to choose discover your career. Okay. And number 3, that is a plan your goal. So these are the basically 3 keys of important of your future life. So I repeat once again. First stage, you have to determine your interest. Number 2, discover your career. And number 3 is the plan your golden rules. So you have to follow in your future prospects also. Okay. So in the benefits, that is after you have to completed your BTech graduation degree. So you have to achieve more of knowledge, and you have to work a good environment for a particular a good company or good entrepreneurship sales also. Okay. So when you have to present on the college life, that is when you have to read the that is in these 3 years or 4 years, those who have completed for your first step, that is a diploma, you have to complete it, or any that is a first year student, that is you have to go through the entire 4 years journey. So this journey you have to collect more knowledge from your particular domain of subject, and you have to collect, you have to grow up your development, your skills and your personality, your level of the measurement of the different achievements. Okay. First of all, you have to set up your goals. So after career in your completed, that is a BTech graduate, you have to complete it. You have to so I am sharing one another tips also. So you have to follow this Holland 6 personality types of rules. This is basically Holland 6 personality types. So you have to, number 1, that is realistic power. Number 2, that is the investigative. Number 3, that is the artistic, and also social, and also enterprising. And number 6, that is a conventional. So these are the basically Holland 6 personality types. You have to follow your skill development and career developments also. So in that case, there are lots of skill tests are available. So you have to complete it one by one. So you have to achieve your goal. Number 2, you have to accept the teamwork. This teamwork, it is also very much important for your these BTech journeys also. And you have to solve the creativity and different types of problem solving, critical thinking, that is empathy, and also you have to adaptability power, and you have to receive, that is a willingness of different types of learn, and you have to also a leadership. You have to take a leadership. So these are the basically different types of skill setup or a skill knowledge. You have to day by day you have to grow up yourself also. Okay, so that's all from my side. Okay, thank you all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to request Professor Kaustubh Mandal to kindly share his words. Kaustubh, sir, you can start.
Yes, okay. A very good morning to everybody. My name is Kaustubh Mandal. I am the assistant professor of ECE department, Engg College. So previously our respected sirs have given an overview about the department and how to set the goal of the life and everything. We just want to tell you, I just personally want to tell you that what is the scope of electronics, because you are in the Department of Electronics and Communication. So you must know you are in a background of engineer where what is the scope for you. So actually electronics is now a part of everyday life, from pocket radio FM to television to computer to mobile phones, even satellite communication. We always see everywhere electronics gadgets in our hands. It covers wide variety of applications like signal processing, telecommunication, wireless communication, networking, microelectronics, nanoelectronics, etc., etc. Actually, the current research trend based on nanotechnology and image processing is closely related to electronics and communication engineering. So you can see here, there are wide regions of job opportunities of ECE students throughout the world. Not only in our software field, not only in the hardware field or the core field, you will get job both in the software field also. In the field, there is another great opportunity for the electronics and communication students, that they have a new field of opening that does not have any other stream has provided, and that is the communication side. Mainly in companies like BSNL, Nokia, Cell, Bell, ONGC, Airport Authority of India Limited, Motorola, mainly students of ECE background are hired. ISRO also recruits students from ECE background. So you can also go to the companies or the Navaratna companies of Government of India. Likewise, you can go for the software like TCS, CTS, and our respected training and placement coordinator, Souvik sir, has evenly described that we get to the campus in that. So that is the scope of electronics and communication in this. So you have chosen a department which is based on hardware as in software. So you can go for the software companies or the MNCs that you have thinking of a dream job, but you can go for the core companies like BSNL, Nokia, Cell, VNGC, ONGC, ISRO, etc., etc. And especially for me, my area of specialization is microelectronics and VLSI. And I have taken number of subjects in this department, especially on my device related subjects like solid state devices, electronics devices, basic electronics. We also conduct, especially my specialization is on the VLSI and microelectronics. So I take the VLSI technology, VLSI design subjects. Also, I do some, my specialization goes in the related signal communication and signal processing. That's why I take the signal and system and the digital signal processing of this class. So actually we have in the Chaivasha Engineering College, because it is a techie sponsored as well as it is an NBI accredited college. So we have a very, very good departmental laboratories like the communication system laboratory, microelectronics and VLSI laboratories, RF and microwave laboratories, and device and circuits. We have a state-of-art project laboratories for us. So that is a very good environment for you to be in this department and to be use this facilities for you. We have smart classrooms. We have different types of digital aided training tools in our department. we can give you, as our Abhijit sir has told also, our respected sir Abhijit sir has told, that we depend upon different hands-on projects, so that the theoretical knowledge, especially, we can give also practical knowledge also. And that's why we do different types of projects. We particularly, I have done different types of projects with the students in this college on home automation system using mobile control devices, and some device physics related, that is small power, small noise, nano electronics devices, some digital electronic circuits using VLSI chip. So these are the FPGA based circuits. So these are the area of projects that I have successfully done with my students in this department. So that's all from my end. Thank you, madam. I will pass on to you. And again, welcome to the department.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing such nice message to our students. Next, I would like to request Professor Deoprato Raha, sir, to kindly share his message with our new students.
Yeah, good morning. I think, yeah, good morning, everyone. HOD of Electronics and Communication Engineering, all other distinguished faculty members. So, students, you might have already met me in the process of your admission or in the orientation session, while I was occupying most of your time in the first session. So I have a very small introduction, or rather a description for you, that I often take the lowest classes in the entire department. So I could be termed as most irregular faculty in the department, but having said so, but other faculty members in the department, they are extremely dedicated. They are there always for you. So they'll take all the necessary classes and other guidance which you need in terms of shaping your career towards the goal which you have set for yourself. So I may be seen quite less in the departmental activity due to my other engagements as a whole with the institute. I took few classes for digital electronics and data communication, electronics, very long time back, basic electronics. Yeah, so I hope probably I would be able to get one class in digital electronics or something of that sort. And probably we would meet in class someday, sooner or later. And I wish everyone all the best. And one thing I would like to tell you, that today we are living in an age where everything is optimizing. Everything is being optimized to an level which is beyond our imagination 2 years back. So the point is, always keep on trying optimizing your effort, optimizing your understanding, optimizing your whatever goals you have set. When I say optimizing, it's that needs a continuous review, assessment, that something you have set, whether or not you are moving towards right direction. If not, then any course correction needed. So all these stuffs. So faculty members here, I can assure you that they would be there round the clock. So wherever you need any academic assistance guidelines, you can get in touch with them. Even me, I often remain available over phone, email. So with this note, once again, thank you very much for the opportunity to interact with everyone, especially new students. Thank you all, and madam, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, one of the students. Yeah, one of the students, Bharat Barik, you have asked that any core company visit to the Institute for ECE. So let me tell you that the concept about this, just a minute, Bharat, you are there, you just unmute yourself so that we can be talking. Yeah, Bharat, can you please come over?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, Bharat, what was your question?
Sir, I was asking that whether any core company visit to the campus or not.
Okay, so what do you mean by this core company? Can you tell?
Core company is in the field of only in the field of electronics like embedded system or VLSI.
Okay, so can you tell us some of the premium companies like you know whatever the company name is? Can you tell?
So like Samsung, HP.
Okay,
And
okay, fine. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. So let me tell you that this concept of core and IT, I think the opposite of core is IT, right? Am I right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so IT company, I'm giving you some example that TCS, CTS, Infosys, like this kind of things, this kind of companies. So let me tell you that these core companies, whatever you are thought of, these core companies does not come into any kind of this area. Okay,
Yes.
so but they have given you the opportunity because most of the cases, I mean, during this last 2 years, the trend is like everything is online. Every,
Yes, sir.
the study, the examination, interviews, recruitments, everything is via online mode. So it is expected that all the company recruitments will be in the online mode only from now onwards. So in that case, because whatever the company names you have mentioned, that Samsung or some premium companies, so they do not come to our institute, but yes, they gave us the opportunity to be appear for the interview as well as the examination or the selection process. So I'm sorry, it got disconnected actually. Just a minute. Yeah, so what I was telling to Bharat, that due to some network issue, I got disconnected. I'm sorry. So these particular companies will be allowing you to appear for their interview process or the selection process. So I think I am clear. So now over to Shangita madam.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Professor Debojyoti Sarkar, sir, to kindly share his views with the students.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, all the students. I am Debojyoti Sarkar, professor of Cyber Engineering College, ECE department. I am also the department coordinator of virtual lab. So what is virtual lab? Due to pandemic, you already know that we are not able that time we organize the virtual lab, and this college, actually our Cyber Engineering College, is a nodal center of IIT Bombay and IIT Kanpur. So for the case of virtual lab, so what are the benefit actually our students got from the virtual lab? So in that time, actually we conduct the physical class through online mode, as well as we conducted our practical class virtual mode. So virtual mode basically software, it is developed by different IITs, and we are the nodal center. That's why we have the access from that IIT, and we conducted the laboratory class through online. So in that time, due to pandemic, our students got the access to do the virtually all the experiment from their home. Okay, so this is a plus, this is a good advantage. So still the COVID is in our, we are progressing with the COVID. So with the help of this virtual lab, it is very essential. One thing that, and you already know, I think that Chaibasha Engineering College is a TechWeave funded college. So when we got that TechWeave, so from this scheme, actually this college got some big amount, and with that amount, actually our college laboratory is developed, and when you will visit the college physically, you can see that the laboratory is well equipped, well maintained, and you can do the all the experiment very efficiently. Okay, this is the thing. And mainly my domain is microelectronics and VLSI design. But I in the department, I have taken different classes. Mainly I have taken the communication field, that is I'm an analog communication, digital communication, optical communication, optical fiber communication, and the basic electronics, digital electronics. Okay, now I am mainly focusing the EC student that you choose the EC department. So the sir already told that if we focus the EC, so EC is a mainly, if we about the job purpose, so you can see there is a two area, means you can go the hardware as well as the software. The in the market, mainly EC branch of ECE, this is a one point that student can go either hardware or either software. So whenever the pandemic, you can see if the hardware market still there is some facing problem, but all the work is going on the online mode. Okay, so day by day, you can see the online mode or online operation is drastically increasing. Okay, so the market of EC, or you can say market of the software or CSE, it is totally increasing. There is no limitation, but concern that you choose, I think, the very good option for your career. Okay, so thank you all the students. Thank you, sir and madam, over to you now.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to request Professor Ritika Shringo Pal ma'am to kindly share her views.
Okay, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, so very good afternoon to all of my students, my dear colleagues. So this is Ritika Shinghodeo from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering of Chaibasha Engineering College. So first of all, I want to welcome all of the students to the family of Chaibasha Engineering College. In this, and first of all, as I want to say that this department, that is Electronics and Communication Department of Chaibasha Engineering College, is NBA accredited. That's why in this department, you people are going to feel another thing, a special charm regarding the department. As because this department is NBA, we are equipped with so many labs and so many instruments in our lab. And as I am a faculty of communication engineering, I just want to give you essence of communication engineering. As this department says about its name, that is electronics and communication engineering. So this department basically give you a essence both of electronics as well as the vast thing about the communication, as because this is a era of communication, because the communication engineering equipped with normal digital and analog communication, wireless just want to send one message from one end to another, and it may be a world or sometimes it's out of the world thing. So in all these things, you will get the knowledge about all of these things in our department from the subjects that are incorporated in the branch of electronics and communication engineering. As well as this is the era of electronics, where we are very much used to the things, small things like mobile phones, TVs and everything. Wherever you will see, you can only and only see and feel that things are related to electronics and communication engineering. So it's a vast world. As another advantage of this department, that by getting knowledge from this department, or by the from the subjects you gather the knowledge from this department, you can also opt for the software engineering or software industry. So this is all about the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering of Chaibasha Engineering College. Welcome all you once again, and thank you from my side.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam, for such a warm welcome speech for all of the students. So I'd like to request Professor Utpal Kumar Pal to share his views to the newly admitted students.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I like to congratulate our new students that they are the part of Chaibasha Engineering College, and our department Electronics and Communication Engineering is NB accredited now, and we got so many facilities, and our students are also going to so many facilities for this kind of accreditation from a great body called National Board of Accreditation. Okay, so I am Utpal Kumar Pal, teacher of ECE department in Chaibasha Engineering College, and once again I congratulate you people, our new students, to be part of in our college. I am a teacher of ECE department. I am taking subjects like VLSI design, or so many subjects from CS department like IoTs, etc. And I also doing some work in the network administration level, and many things. That's all about me. Thank you all. Thank you, my colleagues, and thank you to my students. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Utpal sir, and I'd like to thank all of the faculty members. They have presented their views. And finally, I'd like to request Professor Sangeeta Debbarman madam to express her views with the newly admitted students.
Thank you so much, sir, for allowing me to share my views. Well, so ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering branch you have chosen, that really involves researching, design, developing, testing of electronic equipment using various systems, as we all know. And today the orientation program for this particular department or any branch stream, basically to make you adapted or accustomed with what you're going to face in your future. In these 4 years, what you will learn, and how you will adapt yourself in this campus, and all the online methodology, what is going on, everything. So myself, my name is Sangeeta Debbarman, Assistant Professor, ECE Department. I am the internship coordinator of the department. So first of all, regarding internship, I want to share with you one thing, that our institute department provide assistance for 4 to 8 weeks of internship in eminent reputed companies as well as universities and like NIT, IITs and companies like Tisco, Tata Motors, the companies near to us. ACC Cement, all these. And if we talk about some colleges, then around them it comes NIT Durgapur, NIT Jamshedpur, NIT Rourkela, IIT Gandhinagar, all these places where already our students have done their internship during their due course of period in this BTech. Okay, and second of all, so here you can take your 4 to 8 weeks of internship where you can learn many things. And secondly, I'm the nodal coordinator of Chaibasha Engineering College, a virtual lab from IIT Bombay. Basically, our institute has the collaboration of virtual lab from IIT Bombay and as well as IIT Kanpur. So in this pandemic situation, when we can't think of doing any kind of physical lab performance in colleges, in institutes, at that point of time, these platforms of virtual lab actually helped us to make our students much more equipped and learning about the lab sessions, what we have done through this virtual lab platform through IIT Bombay as well as IIT Kanpur. So that's all from my side. I wish you and welcome you all to our department and our institute and wish you all the best for the next 4 years. Thank you.
So very thanks to Madam for her beautiful views. And again, I'm thanking all of the faculty members for being there. So we'll be just forwarding for some of the programs, okay, some of the upcoming programs. So I'd like to share a video. So just a minute.
Hello, we, the students of ECE department, welcome you all. This is our temple, lying in the lap of nature. The surrounding has its own aura that makes a college really special to us. Now, let's move into our ECE department. First, this is our classroom, where classes are conducted regularly by our eminent faculty members. Now, let's move on to our laboratories. This is the place where our faculties help us to conduct various experiments and give us some real-time experience. Making minor or major projects are the inevitable part of a department. Our department publishes e-magazine named Electronic Wizards regularly in the beginning of every month, which includes various technical as well as non-technical innovative articles. Even the departmental library seemed really helpful for students. We get the opportunity to attend various Dept sponsored seminars, workshops, internships at IDT Jamshedpur, NIT Warangal, NIT Durgapur, NIT Jamshedpur, IIT Gandhinagar, etc. Our college even arranges seminars inside the campus by eminent speakers from IITs and NITs. And some speakers are great entrepreneurs. international conference on recent trend in artificial intelligence, IoT, smart cities and applications is organized every year by our institute. Our college organizes annual cultural fest, Zafire, and technical fest, Navkriti, every year. These events not only help in boosting the students morally, but they also create our institute presence in newspapers and mass media by extension. Academics as well as aesthetics both play a greater part in a student's life. Various sports and social activities are also conducted by our college, like cricket, football, taekwondo, and in this pandemic situation of COVID-19, our college distributed several food packets and water bottles to the nearby villages. Last but not the least, an alumni association of an institute is very useful in networking and making connections across the globe.
Hi, myself Nisha Rani, 2019 batch passed out student of Chabasa Engineering College. My stream was Electronics and Communication Engineering. Like every college student, my 4 years of college were the best years of my life. During the last year of my college, I got placed in Science Cafe, which was collaborative with the district administration. And I worked there for about 9 months. After that, I moved to Bangalore. And I had my interview with Accenture. And currently, I'm working as Major Incident Manager in Accenture. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shubham Kumar Misra, a 2019 batch pass out from Chavasa Engineering College, and my branch was Electronics and Communication Engineering. Currently, I'm working with India Post as a postmaster and along with preparing for SSC CGL. Thank you.
Hi, myself Pradesh Shah, 2019 batch pass out, ECE department, Chabasa Engineering College. I got a job in Purdue Education, which has been collaborated with District Collectorate, which is focusing on rural development. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Preeti Singh. I'm an EC 4th year student of Chabasa Engineering College 2017 to 2020 batch, and right now I'm placed in Toyota Classic Company. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Kumar Gaurav, EC 4th year student. I am placed in Colavera Incorporated. I'm thankful to all the faculty members of our college for their continuous support and effort. Apart from excellent academic experience, I've also been a part of cultural event. My graduation at CEC has been an interesting journey. Thank you.
Yes, we all can say that our college provides ample facility and guidance to us for building up a better future ahead. In spirit, Chaibasa Engineering College is expected to remain much the same, fearlessly motivated, and perhaps it is this spirit that will make our college even more successful in the coming years.
Okay. So this video was prepared by our final year student Amisha Verma from ECE department. It was such a nice video. Next, you will see the laboratory tour visit of our department. Okay, so I will video. So you all will be able to see that. So I'm sharing the video.
Welcome to our Analog Electronics and Digital Electronics Laboratory of Chaibasha Engineering College. We are getting same example for Analog Electronics Laboratory as well as Basic Electronics Laboratory. That is mobile charger. But in case of Basic Electronics Laboratory, we will study the working of basic electronics component, and Analog Electronics Laboratory we will study the working of that type of adapter. That is, if there is no adapter, why the mobile would not be charged? Come to the Digital Electronics Laboratory. Here we will perform the experiment related with the digital circuits which is used in our daily life, such as digital clock, calculator, etc. Think about the display in calculator, how the digit is shown. What is the difference between the normal numeric digit and the digit which is shown in calculator? The thing is that there are some few LEDs are there in the display. We will study what actually happened when a number is converted from 8 to 7, 6, 5 and so on. Welcome to our Basic Electronics Laboratory of Chaibasha Engineering College. This lab is used to give the basic concept of the component which is used in electronic devices. So we will perform here the experiments related to the characteristics of basic electronics component and prepare some projects with the help of this type of components, which will be used in advanced electronics project. In our daily life, lots of electronics devices are used, such as mobile charger. In this type of devices, some components are used like resistor, capacitor, etc. In this laboratory, we will know how they work. Welcome to Communication Lab of Chaibasha Engineering College. Communication Lab is one of the core labs in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this laboratory, we will study the working of many devices and technologies which are frequently used in our daily life. For example, working of radio, television, DTH, mobile phones, navigation system. All these technologies are used to share information. Communication is the process of sending and receiving information. The sharing of knowledge and information is the foundation of all human activities, which is not possible without communication. The field of communication is changing very rapidly. We are about to use 5G cellular networks, which will provide new opportunities for people, business, and society. As a beginner, this labs gives you a good opportunity to learn the basics of communication engineering. Welcome to our microwave laboratory of Chaibasa Engineering College. Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter, with frequencies between 300 megahertz to 3000 gigahertz. As are radio waves, ultraviolet radiation, X-ray, and gamma rays. Microwaves have a range of applications including communication, radar, and perhaps best known by most people, cooking. Other applications where the microwaves used are medical treatment and drying materials. The focus of the Microwave Engineering Laboratory at Electronics and Communication Engineering Department of Chaibasa Engineering College is the development and use for scientific studies of the microwave frequencies. The major area of this laboratory involves analysis and development of microwave circuits, components and subsystems, including micro machined devices for RF, microwave, millimeter wave applications. Micro machined antennas, phase shifters and filters are some such components. Welcome to our instrumentation laboratory of Chaibasa Engineering College. Instrumentation is a pioneer field of engineering in the modern era. In this fast-growing age of automation and process industry, instrumentation engineer is an inevitable choice of every industry. So, it is very essential and relevant in implementing a department which molds new talent in the field of instrumentation. The nature of work of an instrumentation engineer ranges from designing, developing, installing, managing equipment that are used to monitor and control machinery. Instrumentation engineers typically work for industries with automated process with the goal of improving the productivity, reliability, safety, optimization, and stability. Electronics and instrumentation engineers are commonly responsible for integrating the sensors with the recorders, transmitters, display, or control systems. They may design or specify installation, wiring, and signal conditioning. They may be responsible for calibration, testing, and maintenance of the system. One of the most common examples of instrumentation is ATM machine. In ATM machine, the withdrawal of money and deposition of money, everything is operated by an instrumentation device. An electronics and instrumentation engineer graduate find employment in industries which improve efficiency, stability, and safety of automated process. The industrial sectors include public or private firms, research and development organization, manufacturing process industries, power plants, chemical and petrochemical industries, and more.
So this was the tour video of our department. Now more to live sessions will come up, our computer lab and our project lab. So stay with us.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you the computer laboratory here. Okay, so I'm sorry for the interruption. So you can see this, this is the computer lab that is available for the students as well as the faculty members. So all the vision missions of institute as well as the department is showing here. You can see. So just a minute. Yes, so I think it is visible now. So and PEO as mission mapping is also disseminated, and some of the projects we'll see in the project lab later on that some of the projects are disseminated, and there are some do's and don'ts. And in this particular lab, we have 35 computers to be there for the students. Students can do their project work, as well as they can be available for some NPTEL courses, some digital library access. We have the digital library in our institute also, so they can be having their laboratory experience using the computers in this computer lab. So we have the core i7 machines all over the computer lab, and we have an UPS for the continuous power backup. And you can see this is the internet distribution rack available in the department, and this is air conditioned, fully air conditions. 2 air conditioners are there. So in this lab, particularly during the regular course of study, the digital signal processing lab and the VLSI lab is being taught in this lab.
Next, you will be viewing our project lab.
So this is the project lab. You can see in this project lab, firstly we'll be showing you the student projects that are available. This is the temperature controller, microcontroller based temperature monitoring system. Okay, this is the speed monitoring system. That all things are developed by the institute students of Department of ECE. Here the power can be measured. You can see this is the power meter that is available in your home or your apartment. And this is the automated car GPS tracking with accident prevention system. This is the project that was developed by our institutional students. So this was another project that was developed by our students. And let us show you, this is a solar power tracker. You can see this is the concept of this is when the sun is available during the daytime, this solar power, these solar cells will absorb the power and stores into a battery. You can see the battery is here. And after that, at the night time, those stored power has been used to enlight those street lights. So this was the concept. And you can see this is the microcontroller programmer that is available during the project work. The student used to use this as a burning their programs, writing their programs in the microcontroller. This is the project. That is a very interesting project using the Li-Fi technology. You people know about the Wi-Fi technology, but here the Li-Fi technology, light fidelity. This technology is used to transfer the message. So here you can see this is the circuitry here. The circuitry is available. So whenever this transmitter is transmitting some message, the receiver side will be receiving the message without any wire connections. Okay. So this was some of the projects that are available in the project labs, and this is the car accident location tracking using GSM, GPS, and Arduino. This is the project lab. And in addition to this, we are having some IoT lab. So you can see this is the IoT lab, and we are having a number of systems available in this lab. Students can sit here and along with their faculty members, guides, and they can perform their project work in this lab. You can see this. Okay, so this was the dissemination of the project lab. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir. So as you all know that I discussed with you already about the virtual lab. So this is some of the additional facility that is created for improving the quality and learning experience in labs. So as whatever I told you just before in my introduction part, that our college is operating as a nodal center of VLab from IIT Bombay and IIT Kanpur. So through these VLab sessions, there are many courses added that is included in JUT, I mean Jharkhand University of Technology syllabus, and you can select any of the courses that is in your syllabus and you can go for the lab sessions. These platforms are so friendly that sitting at your home, you can access any of the laboratory. You can do it in yourself, a demo session. You can also try anytime you want. Okay, so there are specific VLab IIT Bombay. If you search in your Google, VLab IIT Kanpur, you can easily go into kind of lab. So these are the two main achievements we have in collaboration with our college. Next is basically the student achievements of our department. First of all, the achievement is, as you can see, it's written here, National Innovation Contest, which was held in 2020. So students participated as well as got shortlisted and they competed in this contest. Second is participation in Future Proof Hackathon, which was organized by Techno India University 2020 through online mode. And student participated and had a project sessions, and they just so next was a Techathon, that is IIC cell activity, that is Institute Innovation Council activity. That is also some project exhibition which went on through during this session. that was also held in 2020. Next is Utkal Hack, especially a team from our department. They participated in Utkal Hack and became the runner-up during this session. And it was a really good project. Next, the student participated in OJAS 2019 that was held in IIT Jamshedpur. That was not a COVID period, so that participation was in physical mode. Second is also in 2018, the same thing they have participated. Next in BIT Sindri Sandhan 2017 and IIT Delhi Robostory 2016. The most recent participation is the Best Project Award, which was contributed by this Chhatra Vishwakarma Award 2020, which was organized by AICTE Delhi, and our students participated in this particular session, and they, I mean, it is one of the best nominated project from Jharkhand. So here are
Okay, thank you, madam, for a presentation. So I'd like to take over from madam. So madam has just concluded that the Chhatra Vishwakarma Award. So this Chhatra Vishwakarma Award was for 2020 session, but it was due to this pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic. It was organized on the 5th September. Most of the people, you people know that on the 5th September of 2021, it was organized at the AICTE auditorium. And from our institute, from the department of ECE, the only project was nominated from the state of Jharkhand. The only college and only state, I mean, from only one from this particular state, Jharkhand, this project was nominated from the AICTE. So at a total 27 projects were nominated in the Chhatra Vishwakarma Award. We were one of them. Okay, and you photograph our Honorable Minister of Education, Shri. Just a minute. Some technical glitch is there. Yeah, sorry. So just you can see in the photograph that our Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, he was there, and in front of him we have demonstrated our project work, and he has actually appreciated our work in the state of Jharkhand, and that was mentored by me actually. Okay. So not wasting much time. So we are at the end of the program. So we just focus on some of the student achievements. They have published their research papers in some of the conferences, and they have also funded by Dept. See those names are highlighted by a green color: Shruti Gupta, Om Prakash Das. So those all are students of EC department. So let us go to the industrial visit. We have conducted from the department the industrial visit at IDT at Jamshedpur, Indo-Danish Tool Room, Jamshedpur, in the year of 2009. The date was 19th of December. And also we have some interaction of so student visited many internship or summer training in Vizag steel plants, ECC plant, as madam has already mentioned. So I'm not repeating once again here. Okay, so this communication and photovoltaics, the different forms of renewable energy, the students are basically, you know, that nowadays artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT, these three things are very booming area of engineering. So our department actually focuses on these thrust areas of the engineering, and we regularly encourage our students and to embed those things in the final year project, because all of you people know that there is a universe as per the university curriculum. This department, in every department, they are having some final year project. So in the project, we regularly encourage students to embed these thrust areas into their project. So as a result, we have got this CVA certification, and also we have got this ND accreditation. Okay, so we are expecting from your side also that you will be performing more than we think, we can think, and more than your seniors have done. Okay, so you people are more advanced than them. Okay, you are 5 years advanced. Okay, so anyway, so this is the short placement overview. Actually, this placement overview has been discussed in the orientation program also, so I'm not repeating once again. Okay, so we just go through the one of the alumni video here. So just a minute, I'm just showing you. So here we comes. So I'm sorry for the delay of this transition. I think this is visible to all of you.
This is Pooja Kumari, 2021 pass out Electronics and Communication Engineering student. I have been placed at Infosys, HCL, Ericsson and some other companies. Presently, I am working as an intern in Ericsson India Global Service Private Limited in Airtel Africa project. Well, talking about college, there are numerous of memories like Nafpriti, Jfire, my various taekwondo tournament, hackathons, internship and training. If I have to mention one, I would like to mention about Jharkhand Startup Hackathon 2019 because that was my first interaction with outside world at college level. I would like to thank Sonak Bhattacharya sir and Devabrata Raha sir for always motivating and guiding me, and all other teachers for their support. All the best all of you guys. Thank you.
Yes, so this was a short glimpse of our placement activity. She was the first one to get this kind of this heavy package. She has got. So in addition, yes, that must be full screen. Otherwise, you people we cannot see. I think it is now visible. So these are the professional society memberships that we are having. I mean, using this, I mean, you will be getting a membership ID card. For this, we can see these are the enlisted professional societies that are available in the ECE department. Okay. So I'm not, because all of these things have been already discussed by the different faculty members. And we are having a departmental magazine that has been that is published in a monthly manner, and the students as well as the faculty members are taking a leading role by in publishing this newsletter. The newsletter name is Electronics Wizard. So this is available in the website also. You can go to the website and you can check. And these professional activities, as our professor Dr. Abhijit Kundu have already mentioned that we have the IIRS activities inside the institute, and from our department he is the institute coordinator. So you people, the students are getting more and more involvements with outside activities. And in addition, Professor Dr. Ranadeep Kundu is the institute coordinator, institute president of this IIC. He's from the ECE department, and last year we have got 3.5 star in the Ministry of Innovation cell. There was a survey was conducted, And this was received on 3rd of January this year only. So that was a great start of this particular year. So this was an overview of the e-magazine. There is Electronics Wizards. So Electronics and Communication Engineering. This magazine focuses on the recent trends of engineering. Basically, this is based on the electronics applications, electronics and communication engineering applications. So if you are having some unique idea, you can submit a write-up to our department, to the HOD desk. And this will be reviewed and edited, and this will be published in the e-magazine. Okay, this is the way. And for this, some student members, many of the student members are involved in this e-magazine publishing mechanism or procedure. And Professor Shangita Debbarman is the coordinator of this thing. We forgot to mention this thing. So this was the project that was received by our department, and the principal investigator of this particular project is Dr. Abhijit Kundu. He already mentioned you regarding this project, and one public also there. And finally, the alumni, whatever we are concluding. So the alumni is the outcome of an institution. Okay, so we'll just quickly go to the alumni feedback. Okay, so just a minute, we're just transiting.
Hello everyone, my name is Rosie Mahato. I completed my BTech from Chaibasa Engineering College in 2018. Now currently I am working in IBM. I would like to thank to my all teachers who taught me for 4 years. Special thanks to ECE department teachers, my HOD and Devrat Raha sir. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shubham Kumar Misra, a 2019 batch pass out from Chaibasa Engineering College, and my branch was Electronics and Communication Engineering. Currently, I am working with India Post as a postmaster and along with preparing for SEC CGL. Thank you.
Hi, myself Nisha Rani, 2019 batch passed out student of Chaibasa Engineering College. My stream was Electronics and Communication Engineering. Like every college student, my 4 years of college were the best years of my life. During the last year of my college, I got placed in Science Cafe, which was collaborative with the district administration, and I worked there for about 9 months. After that, I moved to Bangalore, and I had my interview with Accenture, and currently I'm working as Major Incident Manager in Accenture. Thank you.
Hi, myself Priyadarshan Jha, 2019 batch pass out, ECE department, Chaibasa Engineering College. I got the job in Body of Education, which has been collaborated with District Collectorate, which is focusing on rural development. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Preeti Singh. I'm an ECE 4th year student of Chaibasa Engineering College 2017 to 2020 batch, and right now I am placed in Dept Classes Company. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Kumar Gaurav, ECE 4th year student. I am placed in Colabera Incorporated. I am thankful to all the faculty members of our college for their continuous support and effort. Apart from excellent academic experience, I have also been a part of cultural event. My graduation at CEC has been an interesting journey. Thank you.
Okay, so thanks to Madam for showing the video. So I'm just quickly concluding our today's faster program for all of you, because it's nearly the lunch time. So this particular department, whatever I have started with, that NB and OB concept, or the practice, whatever you may call it. So this particular NBA was that practice was taken long from 2013, and from that time we have taken many measures, many developments depending on the student feedbacks, because the most important thing is the student feedback is very much necessary. Because I am telling you something, that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Suppose this formula. So the student must understand that whenever a plus b whole square is following this formula, this elaboration, like this 2 plus 3 whole square can be calculated by this way. Sorry for the interruption. So I think this is visible to all of you. Just a minute. Yeah. So here, yeah, now I am audible. I think I am audible to all of you. Yeah. So the thing is, this practice 2 plus 3 whole square is applicable. I mean, we can apply this a plus b whole square formula into this 2 plus 3 whole square. So student must understand that I am learning a new formula, I am learning a new theory, where to apply it and how to apply it. And I mean, there are some theories that are applicable in a single application. I mean, the single application needs multiple theories. Okay, so you need to optimize those theories, the application of those theories. So this is very necessary for a NBA, I mean, outcome-based education terminology. So this department is NBA accredited, as we have already mentioned. That was the letter that was received from the NBA National Board of Accreditation on 18/5/2021. You can see the date also, and here the departments is mentioned. Yes, along with the computer science and engineering department, we have got the NBA. So this, if we go forward, that our department have well adopted this NBA mechanism, and we actually follows the strictly this academic calendar that is circulated by JUT, and student performance analysis. That means if you are improving, or if you are I mean, not performing very well due to some issue, due to some personal issue, due to some academic issue, anything. So we will analyze that. The department will analyze, and the students will be given certain feedback from the faculty side. And those assessment meetings and regular reviews that will be in place. And in addition, if you want to do some kind of online courses like NPTEL, Coursera, Atal courses, AICTE, and many other platforms, Unacademy, edX, those, I mean, there are various types of companies that are providing, or companies or organizations that are providing you the online education. During that also you will get some support from the faculty members. Okay, and the assessment will be taken. I mean, that will be, I mean, whenever your regular classes will start, you will slowly get to know. So we are almost at the last. So this is the OB philosophy. So the stakeholder side, as we have already mentioned at the start, that the stakeholder is you, your parents, this institute's alumni, employers, and the faculty members. Those are the stakeholders. Okay, whoever taking some, I mean, whoever is having some kind of contribution in the policy decisions or something, so they are giving feedbacks. Okay, So suppose I'm teaching you. I'm a teacher. I'm teaching you by using some whiteboard. Okay. So what you will understand that, okay, if shifts from whiteboard to some PPT or PowerPoint presentation, then it will be better. So you are giving an input or feedback to your concerned teacher that, sir, if you do this, then it is helpful for us, more helpful for us. So the teacher accordingly takes the feedback and he actually transfers or he actually transit to the blackboard, I mean to the PPT from the blackboard. So like this way, the students will also be given some feedbacks by the faculty members and the employers also. Then the PEO, at first, whatever we have think of, that PEO must be achieved. So your objective or the student's objective or the department's objective, the students is the base, the walls and the roofs of the department. Okay. So whatever you think that it is beneficial for the department, it's beneficial for the institute, you please give the feedback to us. Okay, so that we can develop ourselves, because development has nothing, no limit. Okay, so I think we are the end of this thing. Okay, so these are the social media channels that we are handling from the Department of ECE. So you just take a screenshot or you can take a photograph of the same, and you can go to the social media platform and you can join us. Okay, so we can be just I mean we used to share some certain things in the Facebook page, and some competitions and some kind of program is organized in the Facebook pages. So you will be, if you join, then you will be getting notified. Okay, so thanks from my side. If you have some kind of questions, queries, you can just raise your hand. We can take your questions. So yes, I think I don't think that students have much questions. So yes, Tokumoe, you have asked that how can we get digital library? Yes, the concerned teachers, whoever is taking your classes, you can ask them at this point of time, because you are in the first year. So whenever you are from the second year, so department those digital library cases, but as of now the department is not taking any classes, so your class teachers may help in this regard. Okay, so I think Tapuma, I'm clear. Okay, so what are the eligibility? Avinash Kumar asked that what are the eligibility conditions in order to sit an company interview? Yes, the company interview, these depends on that particular company, the company which came for the recruitment totally, because it may vary from 60% to 80%. Some company may take that overall 60%. Suppose this is an example, but some company takes that overall 75%. So this varies companies to companies. Okay, so there is no certain thumb rule for this eligibility criteria, but it has been minimum 60% is there in an average. It has been seen. So, but there is no thumb rule. Okay. So, and accordingly, this placement cell of the institute will help you, will guide you regarding all these issues, all these queries regarding placement. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. So I don't think that there is questions. So thanks to all of the faculty members of the Department of ECE, our respected principal sir, our respected vice principal sir, and our beloved students. So we are concluding our session. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.